Sa ipunan.
Di dagan man ta. Ayos ka.
God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
God is good.
SK, hiwala. Hiwala sila sa Congress. Kaya tungod, ang SK daw dito sa Kunyang Kabataan.
So, especially in the current setup right now, where people always say that students are claiming are
Salamatan ako ang 7th Tipunan SK Council, headed by Mr. Honorable L. James Rosario. Ako ang kawaban sa
Wala day. Pili na okay, dira gikan ng katul.
Ha?
Dira gikan. Kita na.
But we want this campaign to start in your school. Not implement, no to single.
Sunod, budget. Next, volleyball. Diba? Okay na siya, pero
trash na po. Ato ang gitawang mo asa di siya ibog na para hindi na po mag-affect sa ato and sa ato.
Call implement beyond the Earl City. Signed by Honorable
passion into what could we do with the plastic situation, plastic pollution as youth. Okay, so moving na siya ato
and another certificate of appreciation is given to Honorable Benji Alvarez in behalf of the
ang lansyaw, dako kayo mga volume sa basura. Pero kagayan pero hindi mataabot ang volume. Pero gamay-gamay pa itong volume sa basura. So, muna siya ang 5 hours na.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another. 1, 2, 3. Relax. 1, 2, 3.
Join.
Cebu National High School. And at first, I really doubted myself. Can I lead such community or like such students for them to be able to believe also with the advocacies that I am believing in? But here comes, karon nakita ninyo maka-implement ako